YouTube. We're going to do a song, beginner song. It's by a group called Bettie Serveert. It's called The Kids All Right. It's not the Who song. It's this whole totally different song. It's in G, and like I said, it's a good song for beginners. It came out in '92 on the album called Pale of Mine. I'll do a little bit of it, and then I'll teach you how to play it. Down in the cellar with Dolly and Sue, smoking cigarettes and feeling cool. Talking to the guy downstairs, walking around in ridiculous flares. But don't you get your hopes up high, the kid's alright. Don't you get your hopes up high, kid's alright. Then back into the next verse. I did a shortened verse there. But that's the verse with the refrain. Okay, refrain is like a short chorus. Right, it's got really cool lyrics and kind of grungy. Starts out in a G chord. Okay, you don't even need to play the. You could just use two fingers, or even one finger on the G, and just if you're gonna do that, make sure you mute the A. We're just playing the lower strings. I got some kind of mild distortion, but it's not too heavy. Because really what you're playing is like a DGA in the open, because that's a G chord. And just naturally there's a G chord in there, in the guitar's tuning. So G, G, G. Guess what key this is in? G. Okay, the third chord. All right, so you go from on the low E string, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and then what you do is you drop your finger from the low E string to the A string, and you play an E power chord. You can still play the G because it works. Just trust me. I am muting the D string though. If you're gonna play the D string, you want to use 2 fingers. One on the A, one on the D at the 2nd fret. All right, and so that's the most of the verse. Just a little, very common walk down of the bass line over the G chord to the E minor. Then it goes to a C, just your open C chord, and then you go to an A minor, and then you go back to the E minor. Don't you get your hopes up high, kid's alright. Okay, so C, A minor. E minor is the chorus or the refrain. Right, and then there is a little guitar solo, but they're just playing like the E minor pentatonic. All right, when you have a song in G, just like we're gonna play the E minor chord, but the E minor pentatonic works very well. So it's an open position. It's the one, so let me just run it down for you. Open. When I say open, means we're not fretting any string. 3. Open 2 on the A string. Open 2 on the D. Open 2 on the G. Open 3. And open 3 on the B and the high E string. And then you can, they're playing some, I think, in this, there's an extension box. That is at the 3rd fret, your B and E. At the 4th fret, you can play your G string. And then at the 5th fret, you can play the B and the E. So you're not going to play them at the same time. You're going to... And that's where you can make your little melody out of it. That's the vocal melody right there. All right, so that's a great, cool song from the 90s that I guess you could say they were a one-hit wonder. That whole album, I think, is decent, that Palomine album. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.